Hello friends, welcome to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. Today, at the request of our viewer Palmera, we will dive into the benefits of soursop fruit in place of our herb of the week. Soursop is a spiky and strangely beautiful green fruit. It has a creamy white flesh inside. The taste is amazing. It is both sweet and sour. People say it tastes like pineapple and strawberry. The soursop tree loves warm weather. It grows in places like South America and the Caribbean. You can also find it in Southeast Asia and Africa. The tree needs lots of sunshine to make the fruit tasty. The soursop fruit is delicious, but the leaves are special too. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Soursop leaves are thought to have many health benefits. Soursop leaves are easy to find if you live in a tropical place. Just look for the soursop tree. You can recognize it by its large, glossy leaves. The leaves are dark green on top and lighter underneath. If you don't live in the tropics, don't worry. You can still find soursop leaves. Many health stores sell dried soursop leaves. You can also find them online. When choosing dried leaves, look for a trusted brand. The leaves should be green and fragrant. Avoid leaves that look brown or smell musty. Making soursop tea is easy. You only need a few things: water, soursop leaves, and a pot. First, boil some water in a pot. Then add the soursop leaves to the boiling water. Let the leaves boil for about 10 minutes. This will help release all the good stuff from the leaves. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Let the tea cool down a bit before drinking. You can drink the tea hot or cold. Some people like to add honey or lemon for taste. Experiment and find what you like best. A soursop tea is packed with good things for your body. It has lots of antioxidants. These help to protect your cells from damage. Soursop tea may also boost your immune system. This helps your body fight off infections. Some people drink soursop tea to help them relax. It can be very soothing. It might even help you sleep better. If you are feeling stressed, try a cup of soursop tea. Always talk to your doctor before trying new herbal remedies. Soursop tea is generally safe, but it can interact with some medications. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Thank you, Palmera, for your interest. Stay healthy and don't forget to like and subscribe to Finding Silence for more tips.